Ben Stout with Ben Stout Construction. We're back at the project that was formerly called the Jubilee House. It's now been rebranded by its new owners, Family Endeavors. It's called the Reveille Retreat. If you remember this was originally done by Extreme Makeover Home Edition. What we were tasked with is kind of bringing in line with what the new owner wanted for some safety things, in addition to just changing the aesthetics as it's being rebranded. If you go check it out online, you can check out the Extreme Makeover Home Edition video, and it'll really give you a sense of what we were able to do here. One of the things in front of us is where there formerly was a banquet table. We've since taken that and made, instead of having one table, we've made 4 tables for multiple families when they come and try to get back on their feet, which is the purpose of what the Reveille Retreat is. Also above us, this used to be an open span above us. They weren't interested in that, and so we were able to come in and then close all that to create some corridors and just create as safe as possible upstairs. We took what was in the main bedroom downstairs, ended up bringing all the bookshelves that were in that room, brought them to this area, so when you're sitting down with your family having dinner, doing your homework, you'll be able to have all the different books that they have inside of here at your disposal. So now we've moved on into the kitchen. One of the things that we did, you'll see here, is we created kind of 4 individual lockers, so families when they come in here, they want to have a little bit of their own space. So we were able to do that by putting locks, building these doors, and now we've taken what was formerly an open pantry and kind of created space for individual families. Additionally, one of the things we talked about was kind of changing up the kitchen, creating more cooking area, also more storage area for the refrigeration. And you'll see we've been able to do that. What formerly was the stove location, we now have an additional refrigerator, so we have plenty of space for the families. Also in front of us, we have a couple different cooking areas where once it gets put in place, we'll have 2 stoves and 2 micro hoods. So we're able to take the existing kitchen, modify it, and make it more compatible to have multiple families here at the same time. So we've come down the hall to what used to be the caretaker room and the band room. The band room has now been converted into an ADA bedroom, and in addition to that, what once was the caretaker master bathroom has now been turned into an ADA bathroom. It's created brand new space, so if somebody has some assisted needs, wheelchair, etc., we'll be able to have a bedroom for them, in addition a bathroom that's custom made just for them. In the kitchen, we also, as you saw, we created some individual lockers for family. When we lost the cabinet space in the pantry, we went ahead and created an additional pantry here. We were able to create this space that kind of offsets the individual rooms that we created. So one of those most significant changes occurred in this room. This was the original caretaker room. The bathroom here was really on a different level, but to really make this space what it's intended to, which is to take care of veterans, people trying to get back on their feet, we modified it to create the ADA bathroom. Behind me, the wall that you see, behind that is a new owner's retreat. So we're really excited about that. We were able to take what was a 1 bedroom, turn it into 2 bedrooms. We took the bookcases that were here, refurbished them, so we kept a lot of the things that were here, we just moved them around to better serve the Reveille Retreat, and hopefully their mission is to serve as many people as possible. So the change we made will suit that. So this was an extremely large project. There's a lot of square footage between these 2 locations. So we're going to focus on some of the things we did outside. The biggest thing that we did was add an ADA ramp. In addition to that, we had to pour some new concrete so we could connect all this together. So ultimately, we're super excited about how this project turned out. The mission was to create a better living space for the end user. We definitely think we've accomplished that, and also create a safer space, and we certainly feel we did that also. So thanks so much for checking us out. We appreciate it. We're really proud of how this project turned out. We look forward to seeing you next time.